Sige. Yun na, ma'am.
Morning, everyone. Welcome to our pre-bid conference. Start with, may I go on Engineer Tonio Jimenez for a prayer.
Wato mga ulo, alang samahan sana. Santo, oo, salamat ni lawang ay mong gihatag ka na. Salamat sa mga iyong panahon. Salamat sa mo. Na diri. Kaya kami diri aron pag sa tuman sa among trabaho. Alang usab sa pre-bid conference nga pagahimo. Lingini among una-una nga patun kami yung mga ayaw nga mga plano para sa among mga ini among ipangayap na amin.
For the call to order this pre-bid conference, may I call on our back chairperson, Engineer Manu.
Everyone, it's November 29, 2024 Friday. Call to order spring conference at 30. Call on the back secretariat. That's
For the attendance, there are 4 back members present, including the chairperson, and there are 3 PW members present. That's all, Mr. Back Chairperson.
Engineer Salion. This morning we have 2 projects for goods and services to discuss. Number 1 is 24G 0015 supply and delivery of consolidated fourth quarter common goods, common office supplies, information technologies, parts, accessories, tutorial supplies, equipment, kitchenware, other merchandise, calendar year 2024, DPWS in Liho, and Amaria Tanggol City. Number 2 is 24G 0016 procurement of consolidated purchase requirements of fuel for use of service vehicles and light and heavy equipment. PWH, MOD, Osican, Santa Maria City. For presentations and discussions for the projects, may I call the representative from the sections, Ms. Mayer.
Thank you, sir. For supply and delivery of consolidated fourth quarter common use office supplies, information technology, parts, accessories, janitorial supplies and equipment, kitchenware and other general merchandise for the calendar year 2024, DPWH, Misamis Occidental Second District, Engineering Office at Santa Maria, Tangub City, Misamis Occidental, with the total ABC amount of 1,678,068 pesos with a duration of 90 calendar days.
Okay, ma'am. For 24 KG 0016, to be discussed by Engineer Anticipator.
For 24 GKJ 0016, procurement of consolidated procurement request of fuel for use in service vehicles and light and heavy equipment, DPWH, Madeo, Tanggol City, with an ABC of 7,209,400 and a calendar day duration of 100. This purchase request is composed of 150 liters premium gasoline fuel and 21,500 liters of regular gasoline fuel, 99,000 liters diesel fuel, and 600 liters tubing. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. For all prospective bidders, please be reminded that submit all the requirements documents for technical and financial duly signed by proprietor with proper tabbing. Verifications of or other conference may be determined, but no questions or queries shall be entertained during the opening of bids. Any comments, questions from the box members and prospective bidders? If none, then this meeting is adjourned at 10:35.